Hi, a blessed day, everyone. This is Daniela Santiago, and I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about University of the People today. This is going to be my first video in a series of videos that I'm going to make about University of the People and other educational institution in where you can actually apply for free. So let's start. Ta-da! So this is actually the website of uopeople.edu. And pag nag-search po kayo, makikita niyo agad yan, uo.edu. Let us not confuse UOPeople with UOP. We don't use UOP as its abbreviation because merong UOP. And actually, that is a different university in the United States. So, what is University of the People? So, ito po ay isang purely online university na accessible to everyone all around the globe. It is tuition free, as you can see here, and all of our programs are accredited. So, first of all, why am I saying this? Why am I sharing this to you? Okay, my name is Daniela, like I told you earlier, and I am currently a fourth year student here at University of the People. I started way back April 2021 to apply, and it just popped up in my Facebook, and now I'm here. I'm currently finishing my Bachelor of Science in Business Administration degree, and this is actually my final term. So I'm hoping to graduate this January. So basically, I'm going to share my experiences throughout my channel. But first, let's answer some frequently asked questions about the University of the People. And para maipaliwanag ko rin sa inyo, ano ba ang University of the People? So let's go here. Okay. So let's answer these questions as you can see on my screen, guys. Let's answer them one by one. So first question is, nagkaroon ako ng introduction kanina, pero ano nga ba yung University of the People? So I told you like earlier, tuition free. Accredited online university po ito na mayroong degree programs including business administration, computer science, health science, and education. So those are the sectors na meron pong degree programs University of the People. Meron tayong associate's degree, meron din tayong bachelor's degree. Associate's degree is, ibig sabihin, 2 years ka into the program. Bachelor's degree means 4 years ka sa program. And yes, as a student in the bachelor's program, I also have yung aking associate's degree. I graduated from my associates way back March 2023. And yes, I have my diploma, I have my POR, and lahat yon ay free na pindala sa akin, yung people, way back 2023. So, ang daming na nagtatanong, accredited ba si UO People? Is UO People or University of the People accredited? Yes po, accredited po si University of the People by DEAC. DEAC is actually Distance Education Accrediting Commission. So, recognize po ang DEAC ng US Department of Education. So, distance education because we're in a learning, a virtual learning environment. That's why. So, paano masasabi na tuition-free? Daniela, sabi mo kanina, tuition-free ang University of the People. Totoo ba? Wala ka bang binabayaran? Wala tayong binabayarang tuition fee. And usually, here in the Philippines, even though we are tuition-free, may mga bayaran tayo like miscellaneous fees, the books, uniform, and such. For University of the People, wala po tayong babayaran. Kasi everything, even the materials, the books, all of them are free. One click away doon sa ating university. Kapag tayo ay naka-enroll sa isang, for the sake of my Filipino viewers, sa isang subject, pero we call this courses, sa isang course talaga, subject ang equivalent ng term course dito ha. Pag meron tayong isang subject, naka-enroll tayo doon sa ating syllabus, sa ating learning guide, makikita natin yung mga books, articles, mga kumbaga materials na kakailanganin natin. And free yun gamitin. So there's no need to pay for anything na miscellaneous. So tuition free, wala po tayong miscellaneous. And based on my own experience, yes, wala pa akong binayaran ever since I started at University of the People. But we'll get into that later. So, paano nga ba siya nagre-remain na tuition free? Kasi since this is a non-profit institution, merong mga donations, grants, may mga volunteers, pero like I told you guys, tuition free and miscellaneous, walang babayaran. Meron tayong application and assessment fees para sa administrative costs, which I will tackle later. Ano ba yung application fee at ano ba yung assessment fee? But again, just to emphasize, wala pa ako nilabas na pera kay UO People ever since I started, which I am grateful for in this university. And then, next questions natin dito is, what degree programs nga ba yung ino-offer ni UO People? So, meron tayong associated bachelors, like I told you, doon sa business ad, computer science, and health science. So, meron din tayong master's programs para naman sa Master of Business Administration and Master of Education. So, yun yung ino-offer ni UO People at this moment of recording. And then, self-paced ba yung ating courses? And yes, self-taught ang sasabihin ko. Actually, this one is more like meron tayong terms na tinatawag. Hindi siya self-paced, unlike ng ibang mga learning platforms na halimbawa you can do it within the 6 months, ganon, sa ibang institution or ibang free learning websites. It's really structured like a university. Meron tayong 5-week terms every single year, allowing the students to progress steadily. Pero ang nangyayari dito sa 5-week terms, all year round siya nangyayari. Like, for example, right now we are on term 2, if I'm not mistaken. Term 2 ng school year 2024 to 2025. So, magra-run siya from ngayong November until January around 12, January 12. So, meron tayong 9 weeks for this term. In the Filipino sense, in Filipino, it's actually semester. Ganun yung term. So, di ba, here in the Philippines, we have 2 semesters. Makukonsider siya na terms kasi yun yung period na makukuha mo yung mga subject na yun. So, 9 weeks. This is for, by the way, this is for the undergraduates, for the bachelors and associates. 9 weeks po. 8 weeks na meron tayong all throughout na pinag-aaralan. Week 9 is actually the final exam. And in a sense, it is self-paced because meron lang tayong deadline. So usually, ang week natin is nag-i-start ng Thursday. Here in the Philippines, if you're from the Philippines, it starts at Thursday, 1:05 p.m. Bubuksan yung ating week. And then, mag-i-end yon next week, 12:55. Kailangan lahat ng mga kailangan mo doon sa course/subjects ay naipasa mo na. Meron tayong 1 week. So, week 1, week 2, week 3. Every week, merong deadlines. So, ganun yung courses natin, ganun yung subjects natin. So, sino yung pwedeng mag-apply kay UO People? Anyone over the age of 16 na mayroong high school diploma or equivalent, at kung meron kang English proficiency, pwede kang mag-apply. Now, how do I prove English proficiency? So, for this one, kapag hindi first language mo ay English, kailangan mo mag-provide ng sources. Meron siya actually sa mga list. You just need to go there. Sorry. I'm speaking of my experience. Meron silang hinihinging mga papers. You may need to provide TOEFL scores or other equivalent tests. For you to be considered as, English proficient. In my case, when I started at University of the People around April 2021, I actually took an English course na in-offer nila, English 0001, which is free and hindi siya kasama sa credits. So yung first term ko kay UO People from April, May to June, April to June of 2021, if I'm not mistaken, nag-start ako ng April 8, nag-end ako ng June 2, kabisado ko ba? June 2 examination, and hindi siya kasama sa credit. This is how I proved that I am English proficient. At after nun, saka ako nag-foundational courses. So, meron kang option to provide. Pwede kang mag-take ng time para mag-study or pwedeng meron kang English proficiency. Pero most of the time, actually, this is what I did or what we did kasi my sister is actually in University of the People. And what she did is, since we are, Philippines is a bilingual country, yung diploma natin actually has translations. So, kapag magpasa tayo ng diploma kay University of the People, tinatanggap nila yon. You just need to explain that you are from the Philippines, we are bilingual country. If I'm not mistaken, if I remember it correctly, we did email the advisor na meron kaming aming program advisor at hindi na nag-take ng English 0001 yung kapatid ko. Basically, pinatunayan na lang niya na siya ay available and, siya ay English proficient because she's from the Philippines. So, next questions here is about our fees and financial aid. Like I told you earlier, pupunta tayo dito. Again, wala tayong tuition, walang miscellaneous, pero merong pinabayaran na 1, application fee. Number 2, assessment fees. Ano ba yung application fee? When I started at University of the People, actually, I think the application fee way back 2021 was $30. And when I emailed them, actually, nung panahon na yun, right at the moment, what they did was, ni-waive nila yung aking application fee. Because I told them my circumstances, that I cannot pay it, and, because I don't know if they're legit. At the same time, I cannot really pay it way back then. After 2 days, they emailed na winave nila yung aking application fee, and here I am. Based on my experience, my sister's application fee was also waived when we explained her circumstances. Na-assign sa kanya na program advisor nung siya ay nag-apply sa UOP. So, yep, right now, ang application fee ng University of the People is $60. $60, yep. And assessment fees per course, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na meron pa ding babayaran, $120 per course for undergraduate courses. If you are an associate or bachelor's, you're taking it up, that's $120 per course. And $240 naman for graduate courses. Like I told you earlier, guys, yung master's program natin, yun yung assessment fee. Now, let us be clear on this. Sabi ko kanina, wala akong binayaran, wala akong nilabas na pera. And that's true because UO People actually offers scholarship. So, ever since I started, I applied for a scholarship. So, ang gawa ng University of the People, nag-grant sila ng scholarship to those who are eligible. You just need to explain your situation, they will assess it, and basically, if you're fit for them, then you will have your own scholarship. And based on my experience, they release scholarship 10 courses per release. What I mean by that is covered niya is 10 courses. And for the sake, again, courses means subjects. I hope that you guys would remember that. So, yun. Si UO People is nag-offer ng scholarship sa akin, and until now, I'm on scholarship. thank you, yo people, if you're hearing this. Thank you for the scholarship. I really love you guys. Anyway, so yun nga siya. Meron assessment fee, merong scholarship. So, may iba't ibang options na available. You just need to communicate with your program advisor. So, next question would be, how are courses delivered, right? So, lahat online. Meron tayong LMS, which is Moodle actually. At doon na-access ng students yung lectures, assignments, discussions. Meron tayong quizzes, meron tayong learning journal na tinatawag, written assignment, discussion forum, self-quiz, graded quiz, and the final exam. So, what support is available for the students? So, again, kanina ko pa sinasabi, meron tayong advisors o program advisor, meron tayong online libraries, at meron din tayong support from our peers sa ating mga kaklase or mga kasama natin doon sa course through our discussion forums. So, napaka-importante ng program advisor. Shout out to my program advisor, Hardik. Super thankful sa'yo. For the past 4 years, he's been with me, and I'm really grateful for him as my program advisor. So, if I have any questions, talagang nag-email lang ako, and he will get back to me in less than 24 hours actually. Ang ating mga program advisor, available sila 24 to 48 hours yung reply nila through the email. If you have any questions, any at all, concerning your status at University of the People, not within the course, okay, but your status in University of the People, need clarification that you cannot find on the website, then you can email your personal or your program advisors, and they will reply. They will help you. And yeah, just communicate, guys. And again, are there deadlines for assignments? Yes, my specific deadline, which is Thursday for discussion and written assignment. Friday, I'm speaking Filipino time. Friday naman sa learning journal. So if we're going to follow their day, it's Wednesday, 11:55. Bogota time in University of the People. Wednesday, and then Thursday, 11:55 naman yung learning journal. Now, let's talk about the career opportunities. Do your people degrees lead to jobs? Based on what they are claiming on the website, the Yo People degrees are recognized globally, and it is designed to meet the standards ng modern industries. So, actually, according to the claims in the website, meron tayong mga Yo People graduates who are working with Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and all the big companies there. Why am I saying based on their claims? Because I haven't met someone personally, but there's a big chance na what their claim is true, of course. There's a big chance na marami talagang ganong graduate. And does Yo People assist with job placement? Okay, so wala po tayong ino-offer si Yo People ng direct job placement, pero meron tayong mga resources like career services, resume assistance, networking opportunities within the university. Meron talaga silang kinakonduct na career services. I've been receiving emails about it, but I haven't tried it. So, yeah. And yeah, basically, those are some of the questions that I wanted to answer today. And for the other things about Yo People, I will address them in the next video. I hope you guys na naging informative itong first video ko about University of the People, and I hope to share it to the world. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. Share this to your friends, guys. If you have any friends who are curious about University of the People, then this is the start. This is your go-to channel. So yeah, I will update you guys. And another thing pala is please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions that you wanted to be answered in the video as well, or if you wanted for me na ipaliwanag yung mga bagay-bagay, just comment down below and tell if you wanted it to be on video, or I will just reply to your email, guys, to your emails and to your comments rather. So thank you so much, and spread the word about you people. I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.